Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix unresponsive touchscreen in Samsung Galaxy S22. If you're using Samsung Galaxy S22 and you're facing the issue that your touchscreen is unresponsive, your screen is not responding anywhere you touch it, so let's see some possible fixes for you. So there's a very quick fix for this. You just have to press and hold your power button and your volume down button at a time until you got the black screen. And after getting the black screen, then you have to press and hold it again. Don't try to release until you see the Samsung logo. So let's try this. You just have to press and hold your volume down and power button at a time. You have to keep it almost 5 to 15 seconds until your screen goes completely black and until you get the Samsung logo again. Now once you get the Samsung logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it's restart. So it may take a few seconds before the forced restart might take longer than normal. So you have to wait for a few seconds after your phone restarts it. Your issue will be fixed and you will not get that issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.